Hi, I'm Mike Blinder, media consultant, author of Survival Selling, and publisher of Editor and Publisher Magazine, the 184-year-old Bible of the global news publishing industry. And over the past 2+ decades, I've had the privilege and honor to host media and marketing training sessions attended by thousands of local business owners just like you to help break down in easily to implement ways the most effective methods of leveraging all forms of media to grow your business cost effectively. As of today, over 60,000 businesses are having success utilizing media marketing solutions that I've developed in partnership with the over 350 media companies I work with worldwide. Now, 20 years ago, when I conducted these educational workshops for business leaders, I was talking basic concepts like what the heck's the internet and what's a website? We know a lot has changed since then. Today, there are many ways to leverage digital media like Facebook, Google, programmatic audience extension, along with legacy media like local radio, TV, and your local newspaper. And all of this together to target cost effectively the customers you crave. But that's just half the equation. Think about it. In today's ad-cluttered world, it is more important to have the right message to cut through that clutter and win over your competitor. That's why I'm proud to have partnered with the Branded Content Project to present in your town my latest workshop, How to Brand Your Business Through the Art of Storytelling. Now, this fast-paced, information-packed meeting will reveal what messages work best in order to build your local brand, maintain your current customer base, and increase market share with a healthy return on investment. So please join me live on the web for my Brand Your Business workshop, hosted by the Record Journal and Home-Based Digital on Wednesday, May 12th at 11 a.m. Sign up now at localmediaworkshops.com. That's localmediaworkshops.com. And I'll see you then.